Yeah, this is Larry. It's July 2nd, Thursday, and I'm going to one of our undisclosed locations, the one that's a real aggravation. A couple of them are, but this one is really an aggravation to find stuff. Matter of fact, I've been there, a few times. My brother's just been there once. I don't think they want to go back, as far as I can tell. It's just too much trouble. But anyway, I keep going back once, every so often to check it out. But I'm going to use it to my advantage, I think. Some of it's an aggravation because of, I'm not going to tell you all the reasons. That would kind of give some of it away where it might be. But one reason, there's just so much trash, so much junk. But a lot of times in trash, there's treasure. So I'm going to spend some time in an area where we found a lot of solar glass. Now, what that is, some call it purple glass, solarized glass. Some call it desert glass. And that's glass that was in the mid 1800s to about right before the First World War. They manufactured it. It had manganese in it. I think they thought that would make the glass clearer, but they didn't realize if it was out in the sun over a period of time, it would actually turn purple, sometimes kind of a pink purple color. But anyway, since there's an area there where there's a lot of this solar glass, and it's all pre-World War One, so there could be some pre-World War One artifacts there. So I'm going to spend most of my time looking for artifacts. If I find some coins, that's good too. Well, I probably won't show a lot of video on digging and all that, just because I don't want to give any clues on where this area is. Even though it's an aggravation, it's my aggravation at the moment. So it gives me somewhere to go once in a while. Okay. Okay, here's my total take. I found some pieces of old electrical insulators and a bunch of solar glass. Some call it desert glass, some call it purple glass. But when I get home, I'll show you part of the collection of glass that we have. And it's good when you can find it with, something on it, some type of pattern. That's even better. And there's some here that's kind of a sand worn, blown, almost like sand blasted. Let's see. And then here's an old part of a bottle that had a cork. Here's some artifacts. I don't know how old these things are, but I kind of looked for them on the trail of the purple glass. So it looks like a part of an old clock, some kind of ring, hinge, old lock. Some kind of a plate. So some interesting things. And then coins, 3 buffaloes, 4 Wheaties rather, and 2 Indian heads. Alright, that's it for today. Well, when I get back, like I say, I'll show you some of our solar glass. After I put the metal detector away, I decided to walk around just to look for some more glass. And so here's part of an insulator. Here's some more with a pattern. Some kind of pattern on this. Here's a bottleneck. I think this is from an old water bottle when they used to deliver them with like Arrowhead and that in actually glass bottles. I don't know how old it would be, but maybe not too old. Anyway, so I got some more glass for the collection. Okay, so here's some of our solarized glass collection. We have more in the house somewhere. My wife has used some of it to make artwork. But anyway, you can get an idea. I'll add some of these little pieces that I just got here. I have the bigger ones I'll show my wife. But anyway, there's some of the stuff I just got. Here's the coins I got. As far as Wheaties, a 48, a 29, and another 29. The buffaloes, it's going to be a guess. They're pretty corroded, and it's hard to tell. But I think this is a 27 possibly a 36, and I don't know what the third one is. Indian heads 1896 and 1888. So let's see, 8 coins altogether.